Well, clouds and not too many showers today, just little sprinkles here and there. But you can see the first 1.5 Doppler network. This is the last 6 hours when it starts over again. You'll see that initially there were a couple little sprinkles in Cameron County earlier this afternoon and around midday, but things pretty quiet right now, just mainly clouds out there. There may be a couple of those little sprinkles again this evening, but most of the time it's going to be dry. Temperature's not very warm, though, especially in the lower valley, only holding right around 70 in Raymondville, Harlingen, Brownsville, and South Padre Island, and slightly warmer where the clouds have thinned out a little more in the upper valley. The humidity's dropped a little bit. Dew points have come down mostly into the 50s, so with drier air in place, it's harder to get some sprinkles reaching the ground, and also may help cool temperatures a few more degrees tonight. So wouldn't be surprised if a few areas eventually drop down into the upper 50s late tonight and for tomorrow morning, especially in Starr County and parts of the upper valley. You can see now, though, if you're headed out for evening plans or playoff football games on the horizon here, things should be dry. I put clouds in there. You might get a little mist now and then, but probably just going to be all clouds, and temperatures fall from the 70s into the 60s as the evening goes on with very little wind. I mean, wind speeds are about 5 miles per hour on average right now. 71 in Austin, 75 to the north in Dallas. Cool across Texas, but not as cloudy to the north. The clouds mostly hanging around South Texas and the valley. But we look at future track temperatures. There is still some cool air in the state. If you're traveling this weekend, you can see how overnight tonight stays chilly up north in the 30s in Amarillo by morning, but most of the state in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. And then tomorrow during the day, a lot of the state in the 60s up north, 70s down to the south from the hill country to the south, but stays pretty dry most everywhere. Just a little bit of sprinkle or light rain possible across South Texas and the valley. Sunday, let's cool up north, but then we try to slowly warm temperatures up to near 70 by afternoon. And I think much warmer days are ahead by later Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday across much of Texas. Now, we look at the NAM computer model, this upper level low, which has been out there since about Tuesday or so in northern Mexico, still there, and that's giving us clouds coming in, upper level winds from the southwest, keeps clouds and occasionally some sprinkles going. This weak front kind of just fizzles out, so that doesn't do much to our weekend weather, but this upper level low finally starts to move away over the weekend, but not far enough away to clear the clouds out yet. It looks like Sunday will still be a cloudy day, may even spill into about Monday morning with clouds and a couple showers, although I think out of the weekend, Sunday is your best chance to see some light rain showers at times. But once that disturbance finally moves away, then the clouds can finally break apart. It looks like maybe late afternoon Monday and especially by Tuesday. Future track tonight shows very little rain. You might get a sprinkle now and then, and even tomorrow, maybe a little sprinkle or shower in spots. And again, out of the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday looks like the day when there will be some clouds and a better chance of some sprinkles or showers around. So you might get a little wet in spots on Sunday, as you see here, and then the rain chances go down again. So your first 1.570 forecast, cool and cloudy weekend, highs stay in the 70s, not too much wind. Just kind of what you saw today will carry over into tomorrow, and the only difference for Sunday is that we could see a few more light rain showers. Monday, you might see a shower in the morning. Good chance we may break out into a little sun by afternoon. So Monday, things start to turn around. Then by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, here comes the sun. Highs back in the 80s for most of next week. We'll keep tracking the changes in your first 1.5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at 5.